quickly, just a quick Dvar Torah. Very interesting. I learned today. I had a class before this one. So it says, so we're not allowed to plow on a bull and donkey together. Right? It's a kilaim, right? Mixture of the animals. So, and of course, there is logical explanations why this one is stronger, this one is weaker, right? This is higher, this is low. So it would be not good for a donkey. Like the donkey would suffer, right? And plus they go stand in one barn. Maybe something happened with them, so they say don't do it, don't mix. And Vilna Gaon Zatzal says very interesting. So who is a donkey? The donkey is Ishmael, and it says when it was Akedah, Abraham said, I'm going to go with my son, with Yitzchak, up to the mountain, but you lads stay with the donkey. So who was the lads? It was Eliezer and Ishmael. So and our sages explained this person, the child that is born from a servant woman, right? So Hagar was a servant. So he's actually it's like donkey, right? So like movable property in some sense, right? So he's like a donkey. So now this is Shmuel, and then when Abraham went with Yitzchak, he said, "You donkey, stay with donkey." Okay. So this Ishmael is actually represented by the donkey, and Esau is represented by who? By the bull, right? That's what they like. They like bulls. You understand? So if this bull and donkey are going to get together and they're going against the Am Israel, that would be disaster. They can destroy the whole world. So Baruch Hashem, they are not in peace. They fight with each other. They hate each other, which is very good for us. You understand that's insight from Vilna Gaon about Kilayim. Of course, there are many explanations, but I like this very much. Okay.